The summer that never was, 1816's bizarre weather. Did you know that in 1816, people across the world experienced what they called the year without a summer? It wasn't just a bit chilly, it was absolutely bonkers weather. Picture this: frost killing crops in every month of summer, with snow falling in June across New England and Albany. In Massachusetts, corn grew so poorly that barely a quarter was edible. And what did grow was often mouldy and unfit even for animals. Across Europe, wheat, oat, and potato harvests failed catastrophically, sending food prices soaring and making it nearly impossible to feed livestock or family. In Quebec, they literally ran out of bread and milk, while in Nova Scotia, people resorted to boiling foraged herbs just to survive. The culprit behind this meteorological madness? Mount Tambora in Indonesia had erupted the previous year, blasting a mind-boggling 37 cubic kilometers of volcanic material into the atmosphere. That's enough to fill the entire Grand Canyon halfway up. Or, to put it another way, imagine 37 trillion litre-sized bottles of fizzy drink erupting at once. The global average temperature dropped by just about 0.5 degrees Celsius. That's less than 1 degree Fahrenheit. Yet that seemingly tiny change was enough to cause worldwide chaos. For perspective, that's far less than the 1.1 degrees Celsius of warming we've already experienced from climate change today, and experts predict we're heading toward 2 to 3 degrees Celsius without drastic action. The disaster was truly global. In China, the Yangtze Valley suffered overwhelming floods as monsoon patterns went haywire. India faced a deadly cholera outbreak that spread as far as Moscow. Meanwhile, Europe was ravaged by devastating typhus epidemics, killing over 65,000 people. On a brighter side, this catastrophe did have some remarkable cultural impacts. The volcanic ash created strangely vivid red sunsets that transformed art forever. J.M.W. Turner's paintings from this period capture these eerie skies with brilliant yellows and reds, creating some of his most memorable works. Meanwhile, Mary Shelley and her friends were stuck indoors during their rainy Swiss holiday when Lord Byron suggested they write ghost stories to pass the time. The result? The immortal Frankenstein, literature's most famous monster born from history's most infamous summer. Perhaps the most practical legacy of this climate disaster: the bicycle. With oats scarce and horses going hungry, German inventor Karl Dries began developing horseless transportation. So while 1816 might have given us frightful weather, it also gave us fantastic literature, breathtaking art, and a revolutionary mode of transport that's still saving the planet today.